We help coaches and clients and their families learn how to prepare a healthy meal. We want to make healthy eating second nature. So we provide these lean and green meal recipes in order to help them on their lifelong journey.
These recipes are already figured out with all the macronutrients. They're step by step. They're very easy to use. They're delicious.
The Culinary Institute of America has worldwide prestige, and they are a turnkey solution in our development of our lean and green meals.
We really strive to make these recipes appealing, to make them delicious, to make them satisfying. Things that are simple to prepare and things that are going to really support that lean and green lifestyle.
I understand health and fitness and wellness, and it's all connected to food and how it feels your body and just how you perform.
It really is a collaboration between us and the OPTAVIA team. They come to us with requests, and maybe they're requests that they've gotten from their coaches or from their clients. They come to us with things that they see trending, and then we take that and we translate that into deliciousness. And that's really what we do here.
It's simple, it's fresh, it's flavorful.
We work with the Culinary Institute of America to make sure that all the foods are on our lean and green food list. So the coaches and clients are familiar with these food ingredients, they are easy to find ingredients, and they're able then to translate that into the kitchen as they're working with these recipes.
I started using the recipes and I couldn't believe how delicious they were.
So what I like about these recipes is that they're quick. You can find a recipe that can be done in 15 minutes or 30, and then for different skill sets.
It's good food. It doesn't need a lot of salt. It doesn't need a lot of fat. It doesn't need a lot of acid to really turn it into something, because we've really treated the ingredients with respect.
You're able to make something that's delicious and stay healthy.
Not only have we created so many dishes, but I like to think that we've influenced so many people.
The Culinary Institute of America is passionate about what they do, and we are passionate about what we do. Lifelong transformation, one healthy habit at a time.